Hello guys, welcome to Chris Digitals. This is Chris, and today I just want to show you guys this blue planner that I created, and I just had fun creating this one, and it's very simple to create. And today I will be giving this out for free for you guys to download and start using it for the month of June. Okay, so I have decided to be creating kind of a monthly templates for each, like exactly each month. Decided to be doing that so people in my um, Facebook group can be able to download them and use them freely, and my subscribers on YouTube can be able to download as well and use them. And this is very simple and very unique. You'll be able to use it for your weekly, monthly, and daily planning. If you want to use it for your personal life, you can use that, and you can also expand it by um, editing the files, because like you guys know, most of my templates come with editable files with PowerPoint, so you can actually edit them if you want to add or remove a section or something in the template. Okay, all right, I'm just going to go over and show you guys what this template entails. All right, so right here you see I'm using kind of a bevel effect on the planner itself, and also I have this 3D effect that comes around um, the page or the planner itself with a 2020 calendar, and my logo Crisp Digital is here. And I also have that famous stitching that you see people use. I also have that around the planner itself. All right, so this is what I just call the cover page. All right, and the next one I'm going to show you is just the month of June, and right here is the monthly planner. Again, there is an added effect with the bevel right here, like a 3D added effect. Some people will see it as it's popping out, some will see it as it's going in. It's kind of housing, like this area is kind of housing this section right here, right? To me, I see it as it's popping out, so it depends on how you look at it, but it's very unique. It's different from everything I've been creating. And this runs from Sunday to Saturday. If you want to change it to Monday to Sunday, like I said, I have the editable files that are PowerPoint, so you guys can use that and change things there. Okay, and I just went ahead to give you some examples of what you can put in your calendar. This is something I just created for an example. Okay, and right here I have a section that is darkened, that kind of was empty because the days of the month ended on Tuesday, or ends on Tuesday, I'm sorry, on the 30th, but you have this empty space. So like you guys know, I don't like empty space that much on my calendar. So what I did, I merged this whole row, and I just used them as notes. Okay, so you guys can see what I did here. And right here is the obvious name of the month, and right here I put this month's focused, so I just put something here. And also right here, important events, so nothing is scheduled for now, so it's just an example of what you guys can do. All right, and let's jump to the weekly planner. So right here, the weekly planner, I just wanted you guys to see how different and unique it is. So I didn't put anything here. This is how you're going to download it. Also, this one you're going to download it without any of these writings. Okay, these writings and these notes that I put here, those are just for examples. Okay, all right, so right here I have to-do list, and it's good enough for whatever you want to do for the week. And weekly goals, what are your weekly goals? You put them here. If you accomplished your weekly goals or your urgent and important goals here, you can put what you've accomplished right here. And if there is any note that you know that is worthy of taking, you can put them right here where it says noteworthy. And for your appointment and days that is scheduled for your month, for your Sunday to Saturday, you can put them here. If you have to church service this day, after church service, you guys probably going to stop at one of your friends' places for her son's birthday or something. You can put that there. Right here, Monday, maybe your dog is due for the vaccine or cleaning or something. On Tuesday, you can also put whatever you want to put here. Maybe your doctor's appointment right here. Maybe your hair appointment for Wednesday. And for Thursday, if you want to put, going to Bible studies or something you want to do, going hockey practice or piano lessons or golfing, something like that. And Friday, you can put whatever you want to put there. Movie nights. Remember to grab popcorn or grab a movie from Best Buy or from the store somewhere else. Saturday, maybe cleaning day, laundry, yard work, and stuff like that. Okay? And sometimes what you put here, most times, will correspond with whatever you have on your monthly stuff. Okay? And also, sometimes what you put here on your weekly stuff will correspond on what you have on your daily planner. So let's jump to the daily planner. So on the daily planner, you can see this is very different and very unique from the other ones I've created. And right here you have grateful for. So what are you grateful for that day? You can write them down here, and your important conversation log. And I know a lot of people are like, wow, you include this conversation log in almost all your planners. And a lot of people do like that. Some of them has been useful for them. It's useful. I've used it too. It's very useful too. Whatever important conversation log you want to put here, you can put it here. I added important because I just don't want to put conversation log whereby you think you can put every conversation and any conversation you've had that day. Is not for that it's not for that purpose. But if you want to use it for that too, you might as well do that. But this mainly is for something that is vital, like important conversation, like maybe a company, that you called for a return and something like that, and they didn't give you the right information, or they're telling you have to call back because the person in charge is not around, stuff like that. Or you had a conversation with a doctor over the phone, and you are like, okay, can I come in today for this emergency? And they're like, okay, you know what, how about you call tomorrow, because right now the attending doctor is not around and stuff like that. Can you go to the ER? I'm just making these things up, but you guys, that's what I'm trying to say, that this is for important conversation log, like the company you called, ABC company, the rep you spoke to, John Doe, you spoke to this rep, that's his name. Call time, okay, you called around 11 o'clock, on the 6th of June, call back date. What date did they ask you to call back? Okay, maybe they asked me to call back on the 15th, so I have to write it down here. Call back on the 15th. So that's what this conversation log is about. And then you can put your discussion, whatever you discussed with this person, you can put it right here. All right, let's jump to drink up. So recommended water intake, is 8 ounces of water per day. So 8 ounces of water per day. So this is kind of a unique way that I created this one, and I put a tap, running tap water here, so you guys, people know, this is for for water. I know people would know this by just seeing it. It's just a way for me to add um, a kind of expression of, this is what this means. I know people want that. people already know that but I just wanted to put this picture right here to further solidify the statement of, hey, this is drinking water. Okay. All right. Right here is another appointment for your daily appointment, and for this daily appointment should correspond with whatever you put in your weekly appointment. So if your Monday is to take your dog to the cleaning or to the dent to clean their teeth or vaccine, it should appear right here also for that day, Okay, so whatever you put here should probably correspond, or should correspond, I should say, with whatever you put on your weekly one. All right. And to-do list, so right here, okay, you can put whatever you have to do for that day, and also should also correspond a little bit with whatever you want to do for that week. Okay. And this kind of graph area, like this section that I created, you guys can use it for whatever you want to use it for. Maybe to highlight a particular thing you want to do, or to, you know, like for doodling or whatever you want to do with it. I just felt I should create that for an added feature for this daily planner. All right. And your notes, take notes, so you can write, whatever I want to write here for this day. You can take your notes right here. And also I put at a glance. Most of my calendar, you will see what I have as at a glance. So right here is the month of June. So right here, if you have your appointment and they tell you, okay, come or follow up with us maybe the 19th, and you want to check and make sure what day is the 19th, you can call me and look at that immediately and say, okay, on the 19th is a Friday. Okay. And also the same thing here, they say callback date, and they gave you a time on the 15th of June. You can call me and look on the 15th, and that's on a Monday, and you can say, okay, maybe I have time for that, maybe I don't have time for that. Also, cross-checking your monthly planner to see if you have time for that Monday on the 15th. Okay. And that you can use to plan your appointment and your schedules. So as you guys can see, this is a very, very unique planner, and it's very simple and well organized for you, so you guys can plan your monthly, weekly and daily activities based on the sections that are created for you guys. And like I said, it's free to download, so all you have to do in the link in the description, it's my website. You go there, you click on my website, and it's going to take you to the place you can download this planner for free. I know it's just about 4 sections that I created for the month of June. So it's the front cover right here, which highlights the year, and then you have the June itself. So you have the second one, which is a monthly planner, the third one, which is a weekly planner, and the fourth one, which is your daily planner. And if you want to know how to create this into week sections, where you can have week 23, week 24, week 25, and so on, I have a video that I showed you how you can arrange your planner within OneNote, so you can be able to be organized with your planner. I'll put the description. The notification is going to pop out on your right hand corner, upper right hand corner. All right, you can click that, and you're going to see how I organize June. And this is how it looks like after I was done organizing it. So right here was the one I created, and here's a cover page, here's a monthly page right here, and week of the 23rd is right here. And then if I click on that drop down, it takes me to the daily activities. So it's right here. And if I go to week 24th, it's right there. and then also the drop down takes me to the daily activity. And I've created this video for you guys to watch as well, to help you organize it, to help you organize the blue planner if you want to do that. And you know, if you're interested in this one you just saw, I have the link also in the description in my website. You can go there and you can download this one as well. This one comes with more features. You know, this one comes with the, you know, the entire shebang. You know, comes with everything you guys are looking for. So it comes with the extra pages too. All right. And so far, the people who have this, they've given good reviews about that in my on my Facebook group. If you've not joined the Facebook group, you can go to the link in the description and click to join the Facebook group. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. It is free to subscribe, and also leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Also give a thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to press the bell notification if you are a new subscriber. And every time I put up a new video, you'll be able to get the notification, and you'll be able to be one of the first people that will watch the videos. And I want to thank my return subscribers and all the people who are supporting me, who are donating. I thank you guys for everything you're doing, and I thank you for your love and your support. You guys take care, and God bless. Bye bye.